Okay. It's that time again. Uh-oh. That's me if I was straight. I'm bored of my long hair. I don't know how to style it other than put it in a ponytail. I don't hate it, it's just so meh. When I get an urge to do something to my hair, I kind of have to do it, otherwise in my brain I just start to go a little bit crazy. Recently I got the urge to cut my hair, but the last time I did that, it didn't go so well. So that's why I've kind of put off cutting it, but I don't know, I think maybe this time I'll be a bit smarter about it. I'm thinking maybe I'll cut it to here. So for today, I thought we could fix my roots because they are yellow. Yellow. Right there. So I'm thinking we'll re-bleach that, plus my roots that have already somehow grown in. So we're gonna re-bleach my hair, and then we'll get into the crazy stuff. I'm a little bit nervous about cutting it, but like I'm gonna cut it short eventually, so like why not cut it now? Cause like the ends are like so dead and so many not so good memories are tied with my long hair, so I'm thinking let's just start off new and then start a new part of my life. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's just start out safe and just re-bleach the roots and then go from there. So here's from the last time I bleached my hair. Same quick blue, same 20 volume developer. I've put off a few hair washes this week. I made sure it was extra oily so that it doesn't burn my scalp again, because the last time we were bleaching our hair, that shit kind of hurted a little bit. This bitch smells like bleach. Bleach is mixed. I didn't get plastic wrap. Plastic wrap is tacky. Okay, we're just gonna slap some bleach on and hope. Yep. I'm also hoping my hair doesn't fall out. I hope that every single time that I bleach my hair, there's always a thought in the back of my mind that my hair might burn off. Normally I would separate my bleached hair from the brown hair, but I'm not feeling like doing that right now. So it's likely that there will be some orange spots left, but at this point I don't really care because I don't see anybody ever. So really there's no one to judge me for my hair. That's kind of funny. I thought quarantine was gonna be like really hard because like I have to stay home all day and like not see anybody ever, but I don't do that anyways. This is like a regular summer for me. I'm not even lying to you guys. That sounds sad, but like this is like what my summers are always like, so like this is pretty normal for me. Except for now I just don't have to feel bad about staying inside. I don't know, kind of fun fact about me. I genuinely am quite surprised that my hair has made it through this much bleach. Okay, I'm noticing something. There's some really light hair and some really orange hair here. Do you see that? Look how different they are. Maybe I will bleach it. Oh, I know what okay, so One Direction just did their 10-year anniversary. Not even gonna lie, quite disappointed. Honestly thought that they would have, you know, like a reunion, like maybe a one-song performance. I would have been quite satisfied with that. So when I found out that they were just gonna release some unreleased live versions and acoustic versions of their songs, I was a little disappointed. And then not even Zayn didn't say anything about it, just silence from Zayn, so that was also a little bit of a letdown. Like, I'm not ungrateful, you know. Those live versions, I did listen to them and cry. However, you know, I was just expecting a bit more from them. So I'm gonna let this sit and then I will come back when we rinse it. Timer finished. While I was bleaching this, I was sitting on my iPad playing games and then I was like, why did I bleach this? It's gonna get cut off anyways. So that's a little bit silly on my part. Even though my scalp was really greasy, it still burned a little bit. Not sure why. So now I'm gonna rinse. Okay, rinsed it for the most part and now I'm gonna condition and add some purple shampoo. So I rinsed it all out and it looks so nice now. It's like extremely platinum blonde, which I love. But anyways, now, so I brought my sister. We're both doing it. Oh. Anyways, I brought my sister to help me.
How short is it gonna be?
I'm absolutely not. Ew. I'm thinking we'll start here. If I'm, no, what are you doing?
I'm helping.
Oh,
your hair looks like Reese's Puffs.
Wait, and my shirt.
Oh wow.
Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs.
I'm gonna split my hair into 4 sections, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. I'm kind of scared a little bit.
Me too.
You're scared.
Yeah, what if it looks bad?
That's not very reassuring.
Kidding.
Is that short enough? I don't even know. You know what? We should start there because I'd rather not cut enough at first. Whoa, what are you doing?
Wouldn't that be funny?
That'd be a silly little plot twist. I get mad when people put the hairband in their hair and then they cut down here because it's like, why did you put this here? Because you're supposed to cut it up here so that way it's held together.
The TikTok where the girl cut off like 2 inches below the baby's hair.
Oh my god. Ooh. What if I hate it? Oh my god.
Do you regret it?
No, not yet. Oh my god, it feels so soft.
Can I feel?
Oh fuck.
Oh.
POV, I gave you bangs.
Yes.
Is that right where the ponytail is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Ew. Cut.
Oh my god. Uh-oh.
This is cute.
That's a little bit gross. Ew.
Oh.
Mullet. Does it look sexy? Thumbnail.
So what happens if I do this wrong?
I kill you.
Cut. Whoa. Cut.
Ugh.
Oh my.
Oh, wait, I have to sneeze. I have to sneeze. don't, I have to sneeze.
Sneeze.
I think it's going away. That's so rude. I wanted to sneeze.
God, what if this looks bad?
Oh my god, mom's gonna freak out. Freak out.
Oh, did you not tell her?
No, I just told her I was dyeing my hair. Surprise! I look like Dora. I love it! Oh my god. Before I end the video, because I could just end it here, I did want to see, because the whole reason why I did this was so that I could do some fun little hairstyles. So we're gonna quickly do some of that and see what it looks like. First hairstyle is a little bandana. Oh, I love it. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god. So cute. Love it. I love it so much. Next hairstyle. Second hairstyle, just like 2 little butterfly clips. I'm kind of freaking out a little bit. Okay, next hairstyle. Little pigtails. I'm so cute. Oh my god. Okay, next hairstyle. 2 little braids. This one's okay. It's okay, but it's still pretty cute. Okay, next hairstyle. And I think the last hairstyle. Last hairstyle, just a little swoop. This is the hairstyle that really made me want to cut my hair, because then I could, so fun. So yeah. thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed this so much. Make sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I hope you have a great day. Stay healthy. Keep wearing a mask and social distancing. Love. Click the links in my description if you want to find some ways to support the Black Lives Matter movement. Please do that. It's super nice. So yeah, hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.